Hey Teresa, it's 3:20 a.m. my time. I felt really bad about not being able to call for a while. Yeah, our bill for the phone was really high this month, so yeah. I can call tonight though. I kind of feel bad about, not talking as much. Anywho, I'm sorry for the poor quality video, just I can't get the lights any brighter in my room. Isn't that sad? Well, and I'm getting kind of lonely, so by doing this, I feel like I'm talking to someone, and that someone would be you. So, yeah, I feel less lonely when I'm talking to myself, but not thinking I'm crazy. Because I'm not really talking to myself. I'm talking to you. Look, I look like an alien. Look at my glasses. Glasses. Oh my gosh. You're retired when? So, how's life? Oh yeah, and I wanted to let you know that I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Sorry I spaced out for a second. My cats were doing something. I actually kind of like this, talking to myself, but not really thinking I'm going crazy. It's pretty awesome. What else is there to talk about? Ooh, on The Sims, in our little family, we ended up having 9 children. So I had to make this huge house, and they were all toddlers at the same time, and 2 babies and 1 teenager. So I had to buy this huge house and get this one big room for a bunch of beds, and then another room for 2 cribs. No, 3 cribs. And then I make this bathroom with multiple toilets and showers. And oh yeah, and your Sim is pregnant again. Yeah. That'd be what, their 10th kid now? Oh god. And I have to hire nannies every day and every night because there's too many kids and my Sim's going crazy. And yours is just getting sick all the time from pooping out babies. It's actually pretty funny. No offense. Oh my god. Oh. Today's America's birthday. I just noticed that on my calendar thingy here. Right on the side of my computer. So, what do you want to talk about, computer? Oh, that I'm kind of drugged right now too, so I'm probably going to regret submitting this video in the morning because I'm gonna be actually non-drugged at that time. You know what's awesome? I have a red tinted light behind me. It's hot. And I think there's a bee in my room somewhere, and it's flippin' scary. I hear these buzzing. And it's not a fly, because flies don't make that loud of a buzz. This video is probably really, really, really long. You know what? I'm gonna say goodnight now. I love you, darling, with everything. And I just wanna I'm gonna hug the laptop for you. There, I hugged the laptop. Why is the I think I broke my webcam. No, okay, it's good. Well, it got a little darker. Why did it get a lot darker? But there we go, I fixed it. What else to say? Alright, I was turning into the night, wasn't I? Wow, that was pretty epic. Well, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. That was probably really nerdy of me. But anyway, I think I got my point across. And now I'm going to cuddle down to you. I don't know if you're able to see this. I think you can. Yeah. And go to sleep with Mr. Squeezies. Can't really see him either. Yeah. 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 Squeezies. And Benji and Fago, but they're not here. Ow! At the moment. Ooh, my laptop hit me. That hurt. The little CD drive thing just pinched me when I tried to close it. It kinda hurt a lot. Oh my god, I keep getting sidetracked. I bet you this video is probably like uber long, and I won't be able to post it on any website because it's gonna be over like, what, 20 minutes? No, it probably wasn't 20 minutes. Could have been good 20 minutes. Well, anyway, best wishes. I should make more of these videos soon.